Hi everyone, I am Sir B, your math teacher. So in this video, we'll be solving differential equations using separation of variables. Bali, ano nga ba yung tinatawag na separation of variables? So this is a method or way para ma-solve natin yung differential equations. And yung differential equations natin must be separable. So we have this definition. If your differential equation can be written using this form, wherein m and n are both functions of x and y, or just x or y, if this differential equation can be written in this form, wherein yung mga variable mo na x, kasama ay si dx, yung mga variable mo na y, kasama ay si dy, therefore, separable siya. So, we have three differential equations here. Let us determine kung alin dito yung separable or not. How about ang number 1? So, ang number 1, separable or not? So, I think this is separable. Why? Because this can be written as dy is equal to x dx by cross multiplication. Dito pa lang, may kita na natin na si x, ang kasama niya si dx. And si dy, ang kasama niya is 1. Walang y dito. Pero, itong form na to can be rewritten as x dx gamit itong form na to. Diba? Sabi ko kanina, kapag yung differential equation mo na ganito, kapag nare-write siya gamit itong form na to, therefore, separable. So, x dx minus dy is equal to 0. The same form with this one. Therefore, separable. How about number 2? So, this can be written as dy is equal to y dx by transposition. So, ang kasama ni dx dito ay si y. So, ang kailangan niyang kasama ay si dy. So, therefore, anong gagawin natin? Pala ang gagawin natin dito, just divide both sides by y. Para ma-eliminate or ma-cancel si y sa dx. Hence, we have dy over y is equal to dx. And if you would rewrite this using this form, the same na siya. Therefore, separable also. How about differential equation number 3? As we can observe here, x minus y plus 2 quantity dx and x plus y quantity dy. So dito pa lang, may kita na natin na not separable. Bakit? Kasi may minus dito and may plus. And if you would distribute dx dito sa kada term, as well as dy sa kada term, and then itry natin na i-separate yan, hindi natin masiseparate. So this is not separable. So since yung item number 1 and item number 2 ay separable, we can solve that differential equations using the technique separation of variables. So let us see, or let us start solve natin. Okay, sa item number 1, we have dy dx is equal to x. So, i-separate natin yung variable dy is equal to x dx. Just cross multiplication lang ang gagamitin natin. So, integrating both sides, we have what? Y plus c, correct? Kasi indefinite integral equals, what is the integral of x dx? X squared over 2 plus another arbitrary constant. Let us denote c and d. So we have y is equal to x over 2 plus d minus c. So ito ay arbitrary constant. So you can let this arbitrary constant as, let's say, k is equal to d minus c. So this can be written as y is equal to x squared over 2 plus k. So this is the solution for that differential equation. Or pwede na din natin na i-shortcut na. Kaya ang ginagawa sa DE, kapag naka-encounter kayo ng ganito, ang ginagawa dito, y na lang dito. And then yung pag-add ng arbitrary constants, sa right side na lang. So we have x squared over 2 plus c. O, see? So this is the shortcut. Pero don't forget na kapag nag-indefinite integral tayo, kailangan natin mag-add ng c. Okay? Kasi ang derivative ng constant is 0. So now, how about item number 2? So for item number 2, we have dy minus y dx is equal to 0. Kanina, na-separate na natin siya. Dy is equal to y dx. So kailangan lang natin mag-divide tayo ng y both sides of the equation. para ma-cancel out si y. So, ang kasama dapat ng y is yung dy. So, we have dy over y is equal to dx. So, separated na siya. So, integrating both sides of the equations, we have what? We have ln y. So, kahit wag na tayo mag-add dyan ng c. Dito na tayo sa right side mag-add. What is the integral of dx? The integral of 1 or dx is x plus c, correct? So now, we have a solution of ln y is equal to x plus c. Kailangan natin na solution is y alone. No, usually nasa left side siya. So exponentiating this function, let us exponentiate. We have y is equal to what? Since ang ln is a logarithm to the base e. So kaya, meron tayo ditong y is equal to e raised into x plus c. Okay? We have x plus c sa exponent. Diba ganyan yung law of logarithm? Kapag tinransform mo siya sa exponential, so ito equals y, ang ln is a logarithm to the base e, kaya ang base natin is e. And then itong equation, equals na to na sa right side, yan yung exponent. Ano? So we have y is equal to e raised into x plus c. Law of exponent, di ba? A raised into m times a raised into n is equal to a raised into m plus n. So therefore, itong e raised into x plus c can be decomposed, pwede mo siyang ma-separate. We have e raised into x multiplied by e raised into c. So yung e raised into c is an arbitrary constant. Therefore, pwede mo siyang gawin na c. C e raised into x or c sub 1. So the correct answer is y is equal to c e raised into x. Thank you.